added AI task automation in beta back in February, letting you assign simple tasks to Gemini, and now Samsung has revealed at Galaxy Unpacked that it's expanding task automation's support. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. Samsung says you can use AI task automation straight from the Galaxy Z Flip 8's Flex window by long pressing the power button. While Google didn't list the apps that will work with task automation, but the support will allow Gemini to shop for you, make dinner reservations, book travel experiences, and buy tickets. Gemini can now also use complex images as prompts and understand what's displayed on your screen. Samsung's Foldables will come pre-installed with Gemini Notebook that you can use to organize sources from the web, videos, chats, and others. For instance, you can use it to create a plan for your European trip by feeding it links to video sources, websites, and written text. It can then turn information from those sources into videos, flashcards, and even podcasts. You can also use its chat function to ask it about the topics in the sources you've provided. And for the features that require paid Gemini, the company is giving out a 6-month trial of Google AI Pro with every Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, Fold 8, and Flip 8 device. The latest Galaxy watches will also come with AI features. The Galaxy Watch 9 will support a raise-to-talk feature, and the company's also revealed 2 more frames for their upcoming Android XR smart glasses line, which will launch this fall. Google has also made it easier to switch to Android with Samsung's latest foldables. The migration experience built into Android 17 will let you transfer your photos, videos, contacts, messages, calendar, Google accounts, passwords, Wi-Fi credentials, and even your eSIM into Android devices. It's already present in selected Pixel models and will also be initially available on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, Fold 8, and Flip 8. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.